Hostinger makes it really easy to get started. The plans are affordable, the performance and storage are great for web apps, and the template we'll be using comes pre-configured with everything you need to deploy right away. And right now, you can get an extra 10% off any Hostinger VPS plan. To get that 10% discount, go to the link right here at the bottom of the screen, or just scroll down to the video description and click on the first link you find there. That's our special partner link, and it'll make sure you're getting the best deal available. Once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here.
Let's click on Claim Deal. And that's going to bring us down to the VPS plan options. And here I recommend going with the KVM2 plan. This is going to include 2 virtual CPUs, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe disk space, and 8 TB of bandwidth. This is going to be more than enough for most web apps, and you can always upgrade or downgrade your plan later on if you need to. For this tutorial, I'll be going with the KVM2 plan, so here I'll click on Choose Plan. And from here, you'll be brought to the checkout page. And let's start by choosing your plan period. By default, it'll be set to 24 months, which gives you the best savings and includes a free domain. You can also choose the 12-month plan if you'd like to. This will still get you a lot of savings and include that free domain. And for this video, I'll be going with the 12-month plan. Scrolling down, you can also toggle on daily auto backups if you'd like to, and you can also select your server location. By default, Hostinger will choose the server that's closest to you and has the best latency, so I'll just leave this as default for now. And lastly, let's scroll down and select our operating system. Start by clicking on OS with Panel, and we'll find the Docploy template. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Hostinger. They include all of these ready-made templates that come pre-configured with everything that you need to deploy web apps. So I'll click into Docploy, and this Ubuntu and Docploy setup will give you Docker, Docker Compose, and Docploy already installed. So that way you can start deploying web apps right away without running manual commands or installing anything yourself. With this selected, I'll click on Confirm, and now we have the Docploy template selected. Now let's scroll back up to the top, and we'll make sure that the discount code here is applied. You'll get this automatically by using the first link in the video description, and as you can see here, this will take 10% off your plan. Now let's go down and click on Continue. Next, you'll need to create your Hostinger account if you don't already have one. Just enter your email address here, and then create a password. Then click on Register to continue. Then on this page here, you'll need to enter your billing address and your payment information. I'll go ahead and do that now. Now I filled out both my billing information and my payment information. From here, I'll click on Submit Payment, and with that payment submitted, I'll click on Get Started. Now we'll need to create a root password. This is the main password that you'll use to log into your VPS and manage everything on it. You can think of it as your server's master key, so make sure it's something strong and it's something that you'll remember. Here you'll also see an option to add an SSH key, which is another way to securely log in without typing in a password each time. This is optional, and for this video, I'll just stick with the root password. Here I'll fill in my root password, and once that's filled out, I'll go down and click on Next. Here you'll see an option to add in a malware scanner. This is free, but for this video, I'm going to disable this. This will make sure we get a nice and clean VPS install with no issues. With that disabled, I'll click on Finish Setup, and now our VPS is going to be set up for us. This can take a few minutes to complete, so I'll fast forward to whenever it's done. Our VPS is now set up.